Welcome back to EdTech Arcade. Today we are talking about the accessibility feature called Chrome Reader Mode on the Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, select Show Side Panel. Click the arrow next to Reading List and choose Reading Mode. The website gets converted to just text so you can stay focused. You can also change the font. You can select sans serif, serif, Arial, Comic Sans, Times New Roman, or just select standard font. You can also decrease or increase the text. You can choose different themes, including the default mode, light mode, dark mode, yellow, or blue. You can also change line height with standard, loose, or very loose. And finally, you can change character spacing to standard, wide, or very wide. So you have numerous options to tailor the text to the way that you like it. So make sure to check this out on the Chrome browser and share it with your students.